Hi, I'm Teacher Hernan, and welcome to Math for You. In this video, I'll be discussing with you about comparing and ordering whole numbers. But before we'll start, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button if you want to be updated with all my new videos. Are you ready for this lesson? Now, how do we compare whole numbers? How will you know if one number is greater than the other or one number is smaller than the other? Well, the easiest way to compare whole numbers is just count the number of digits. Take a look at these two numbers here. Can you tell me how many digits are there in this number? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first number has 5 digits. What about the second number? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 digits. Now, again, the first number has 5 digits, while the second number has 6 digits. So here, you can easily tell right away that this number is smaller than this number, since it has only 5 digits. Then here you have 6 digits, or the other way around, this number is bigger than this number. Now, what about if the numbers have the same number of digits? Look up here. Can you tell me how many digits does each number have? Yes, there are 6 digits. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with the second number. So how will you compare if they have the same number of digits? Yes, compare the digits in the highest place value. So how will you know where's the highest place value there? Let's recall our lesson in the other video about place value. Let's start from right to left. What's the first place value here? Ones. Yes. Then the tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. So the highest place value in these two numbers is the 100,000s. So let's encircle the digits in the 100,000s place. So you simply compare these two digits. Since 3 is smaller than 4, you can say that this number is smaller than this number, or this number is bigger than this number. Now, when we compare two numbers, we usually use is greater than or the symbol for greater than, is less than or the symbol for less than, and if the two numbers are equal, instead of using is equal to, you can also use the symbol for equal. Now let's proceed with ordering whole numbers. Let's start arranging these numbers in ascending order. When we say ascending order, we start with least to greatest. You're correct. Now let's use the idea of counting the number of digits to compare whole numbers. If you notice, this number has 4 digits, while this number has 5 digits, and so with this has 5 digits. So we can say, since this number has only 4 digits, we can say that this number is the least among the 3. So we will write 5,372 as the least number. But these two have same number of digits. So what do we do again? Yes, compare the digits in the highest place value. What's the highest place value in this number? Yes, it's the 10,000. So this is the 10,000. So with this one, compare the 3 and the 7. Yes, 3 is smaller than 7. Since we are arranging from least to greatest, so the next number should be 34,675. So the greatest number here is correct, 70,300 68. We can also arrange the numbers in descending order. That is, you start from greatest to least. So look at these three numbers again. Let's use the idea of counting the number of digits to know which is smaller or which is bigger. If you notice, this number has 5 digits, while these two have 6 digits, meaning this is the least number, right? Again, these two numbers have the same number of digits, which is 6. So what will you do again? Yes, compare the digits in the highest place value. And what's the highest place value in this number? Yes, you're right. It's the hundred thousands. So what are the digits in the hundred thousands place? Yes, they are the 5 and the 3. So just compare the 5 and the 3. Since we are ranging from greatest to least, so we will get the biggest number first. So 5 is greater than 3. So you can say that this number is the biggest of the 3. So let's write 567,169 first. Then followed by 315,496. And the least number is 15,785. Now let's deepen your understanding on comparing and ordering whole numbers. Let's have the first activity. Let's put the symbol greater than, less than, equal to on the blank. Are you ready? Let's have number 1. Look at this number. How many digits are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 digits. What about here? There are also 5 digits, right? So again, we need to compare the digits in the highest place value. And what's the highest place value here? It's 10 thousandths. So 9 is in the 10 thousandths place, and so with the 8 here. So if you compare, 9 is bigger than 8, meaning this number is greater than 8. This number rather. So we will use the symbol greater than. What about for number 2? If you notice, they have 6, both numbers have 6 digits, and all the digits are the same, meaning they are, yes, they are equal. So we use the equal sign there. And what about for the third one? Here you have 5 digits, as you can see, but here you have 6 digits, meaning this one is smaller than this one. Since this number has only 5 digits, well, this number has 6 digits. So our answer is less than. So we will use this symbol for less than. There. Now let us have number 4. Which number comes second when we arrange the given numbers below in descending order? So first you have to know, again, what's descending order, or how we arrange numbers in descending order. Yes, you start with the biggest. So you have to look for the biggest in these 3 numbers. Can you tell me what's the biggest number here? Yes, it's 563,001. Why do you think so? Because it has 6 digits, while the others have only 5 digits. So the biggest number here is 563,001. But we are looking for the number that comes second. So what is the next number after this? And that will be our answer. Again, these 2 numbers have the same number of digits. That means compare the digits in the highest place value. What's the highest place value here? It's 10,000. So what are the digits in the 10,000? Here you have 5, while here you have 1. So 5 is greater than 1. So the next number should be 54,675. That would be our answer. Okay, let's have the last number. What digit can be placed in the box to make the statement true? Again, we have to take note first the symbol. What symbol is this? It's greater than. So this number must be greater than to this number. If you notice, the digits here are the same, right? And so with this two here. Meaning, you only compare the digit in this box and the 6 here. So what are the digits that are greater than 6? Yes, it's 7. But is that the only answer, can you think? What about 8? Yes, 8 is also greater than 6. So we can also put 8 inside the box. What else? Yes, you're right. You can also put 9 because 9 is greater than 6. So for this problem, there are 3 possible answers that can be placed inside the box. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.